stripe. Win light goes to Jamie.
Holy Jamie.
Dodge Garage.
Good job, son.
I gotta figure out my life. Do I pull the 4-speed out? We'll just have to see what happens. Update. It's late, and somebody just arrived with a white 66 Valiant that's not put together all the way. Yeah, I'm crawling under there. Here we go. Why am I always this guy? What are you doing under there? Don't mess with my stuff. This thing was allegedly missing an engine mount thing, so I stole one off the broken Barracuda. A little piece of garbage can in Junkyard D's Valiant. You're welcome, by the way.
Thank you. Distributor ready. Weird. Look at that.
There it is. Like driving a rail. With that platoon sergeant for the motor pool. What have you driven?
Tell everyone if I set the timing on this,
It's that net.
that one's a washer.
We got No Name Nationals after dark here, folks.
Yeah.
I think it's a little too late for this.
I thought this was a joke. It was not a joke.
That is legit. I love this.
That is happening. Why doesn't it fit?
Serious.
How many more of those you got? It's 2:30 in the morning. We had a bad MSD box and a bad HEI module. I'm going to bed. At least it looks good broken. Last day in Sykeston. Everything hurts. Oh, it's cool right now. Let's give it a minute. I think I was jamming on this thing till like 2:30 in the morning. Why wasn't I pulling my broken 4-speed out? I don't know. What are you doing? Out here. On, get. Oh look, it's the voice of the No Name Nationals. Finally. What do you know? All right, here's the deal. We're gonna take this transmission out and see what we can see. I'm pretty sure I know what we are going to see, which is chunks, but I'm getting some much needed help from Jason here with indirect connection. Thank you very much, my friend. Jack stands that probably won't kill me, oil drain. I've already got the drive shaft coming down. We're gonna drain the thingy, take it out, which will be easy, I'm sure. And we'll see what we got. Well.
Is it fuzzy?
Oh, it's fuzzy. We're getting it now. Shifter's off the transmission. Probably just put that right in his way. He's pulling the floor panel right now. We've got 3 out of 4 out of it, but the top left is like impossible to get. I might be about to cut an extra hole in the floor, but we'll see in a minute. Show off with your car still driving and stuff. Meanwhile, over here at the Dead Dodge garage.
That is just not life support.
You're good. Yeah, it's slow to fall. It's fine. All right. Okay. I'm gonna look for chunkies.
You know, I think that's supposed to be in your car. What's going on here?
I don't know what's going on here because we found enough metal shavings on the magnet drain plug to like make a brush to clean out battery terminals. I can't see where it's coming from. Second gear is beautiful. Half of those teeth were extra. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, that's race car stuff, right?
That's right.
You get rid of half of those and it's less friction.
Exactly.
This car may have won the battle, but my car's winning the war. How would Jamie flip me off earlier?
You're number 1.
Well, this is kind of weird. First gear teeth look fine, obviously. Second gear teeth look pretty good. Nothing broken. Everything's fine on the gear. Third gear teeth look horrible, but that makes sense. So now we're here. We haven't found anything. Everything seems fine, except for the metal chunks, but you know. You guys about to have fun without me?
Yeah.
It's messed
Get
up.
over there and mess with 4-speed stuff.
All right. All right. Yeah, buddy. It's making noises.
If my dog had dog teeth like that, he'd starve.
You like that? Yeah. Those were like that when I found them. All right, they're a little worse now.
Okay, yeah. Was it an aluminum case?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Look at that.
Aluminum main case, and then that's an aftermarket one too. I had to grind like 3/8 off it to get it in there, and it still touches.
Yeah, my car, I'm not gonna have that problem though.
Lucky you.
I don't know. This is a pretty good pit thrash right here.
Hey, see the cam braking that was happening just across the way?
So you were participating in that pit thrash?
I was up till 2:30.
Yeah,
I saw that. Well, I was over here.
We might well have found the issue because the counter shaft is just moving freely, and it was obviously rolling, judging by the fact that it's shaving the half moon keyed a little bit. This might have been the issue. There's nothing horribly wrong with any of the gears. The bearings are fine. The counter shaft bearings seem to be fine, but yeah, this shouldn't be able to move. So I restaked the previously staked front bushing thingy for the counter shaft with the remains of just Mopar Joe's screwdriver. Sorry, Jill. We're gonna see if we can get a press on this again. That's what we want to hear.
Cutting a little close for Triple Crown, aren't you?
Yeah, transmission's back in.
Yeah.
Give me a minute here and we'll have something. I don't know what we did, but it never fit great, but it did fit. Well, it's a while later and the 4-speed is shoved back in here. I went ahead and loosened the crap out of the 4th gear stop, so it might work. It's definitely going as far as it ever could, so.
He not only removed the transmission this morning,
Hi, Jeff.
but Jamie also tore it apart, fixed it, put it back together, and reinstalled it, and he's going to make it for round number 1, a triple crown.
That's right. Phone got too hot. Transmission seems to work. We're gonna get the floor put back together, put it on the ground, run around the pits, and find out if we still have a race car. Ugh, it hates it. Well, this is crazy. I helped build this car last night, and now it's the competition. It didn't want to start just now. We just got it fired up. We're supposed to be in the Triple Crown competition right now. You know how excited I am to line up next to this? I'm pretty excited. What's taking you guys so long? We're trying to run a race here.
I know it.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Battle of the 66 Plymouths. That Valiant, the electrical system under the dash just went up in smoke, just sitting here idling after all that. So, I guess I'm gonna lose to a Nova. It was the tack? All right, we're back in. Oh, for Pete's sake. It's on fire, it's not on fire. What lane you want? I'm on the left, I'll take left. All right.
SSR going to take the win with the Nova 752.
I don't know what the noise is. It's still there, but she made it down the track. That's all we can do. Oh, there we go. I reckon I could have taken that Valiant, but that guy's just too quick. 870. Yeah, 212. It must have bogged like crazy, or I blinked, or I don't even know what. What insanity. Well, the car is kind of still together, so I guess I'm entered in the stick shift challenge now. This should be something. Ooh, Dotson. I'm liking the looks of this class. I'm not out, he went red. Am I just the luckiest bracket racer? Broke through the lights. That's weird, it's not on fire. No.
All right, here it goes. Big 550. And that is a hoopie.
Nice Sunday drive.
This is the cool kid group.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this is where all the like drag racers and stuff hang out.
What are you talking about?
Oh, well, and Jamie.
Well, we're here now.
Ryan tried to give him money for helping. I got this. It's all good.
Oh, I'm missing out on the potluck, but I gotta tell you something. This was amazing. Was it fast? No. Was it consistent? God, no. Did it make horrible noises most of the time? Yes, it did. I told this story a few times this weekend, but I'll tell it again. First time I ever went to a racetrack with Dale's Demon, I knew right away, not only are these my people, but this is where I should be. The friendship, the camaraderie, the family. Just everything that goes on in the pits and between rounds, and on the racetrack as well. It's quite something. This event is like that, but more, so much more. For one thing, I know like all of these people on the internet. And now I've met them in real life. And they're the best people. I don't know if it's just because everybody here is a YouTuber, kind of doing the same thing I'm doing or what, but everybody's cool. Everybody's just trying to get down the track and do cool stuff. And I love it. Thanks.
You're welcome.
You're the man.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I almost can't even believe this, but I'm taking home some hardware. That one is because I drove 3,000 miles to get here. That's the bad luck duck because I broke my car. I wasn't alone in that this weekend, but I did a pretty good job of it. The best pit thrash, I feel like that's self-explanatory, and I do apologize for not having much footage of it, but you know, I was kind of busy thrashing. The bad luck duck, of course, comes from Two Hacks Garage. Thank you so much. This thing, turns out if you red light by 1/4 of a second, you get this great, terrible, super heavy, broken stuff award, which I will love and cherish probably forever, I guess. Oh, we can't forget the potato from the Dougster. Apparently this is for the potato cam cars. Thanks, Dougster. He has a name. What was his name? I don't remember. This was insane. I'm dead tired. I thought we were done last night. We weren't. I got 3 more passes in with this thing. I'm very happy, but I'm also ready to not be here anymore. So I'm gonna go drive 4 hours into the night. Can't wait. Hey, hopefully you enjoyed this. Thank you very much to everybody here at No Name. Just incredible. And thank you, as always, for watching. And remember, maybe the real drag racer was the friends we made along the way. More work. Delightful. And just like that, the Barracuda and I are home. I only towed it 5,500 miles round trip. 2 of the longest weeks of my life. Can't wait to do it again next year. Hey, real fast, I do want to say thank you to all the fans, subscribers, followers that showed up to the No Name Nationals as well. I met some really cool people at that event. I apologize for being terrible with names. I don't remember who all of you are, but I just want to say thanks for following and going through all the trouble to show up and say hi. I also want to thank everybody that contributed video to my video, because of course I didn't have anybody standing around to film me. Blake from Bad Tree Productions in particular filmed like all of my runs, I think. Also Tanner with Vintage Adventurer Drives, who I beat easily. And everybody else, seriously, thanks. I couldn't have done this without you. Oh yes, in the coming weeks, I think I'm gonna do a kind of analysis video. We'll look at my time slips from No Name so we can gauge the performance of this car, and then we'll take a look at parts of it that worked really well and parts of it that are, well, garbage. So stay tuned for that.